Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. Today is Wednesday, October the 20th, 2010, and like we do every night, it's time to look at the markets. Check this out. Okay, a quick little announcement to make before we get started. We had a server issue today on our website, so our website was down. It's still down. Actually, we've been having this problem for about the past week and a half. It's been really glitchy. Ultimately, it's just growing pains. We've outgrown the shared server we had, so today we went out and purchased a dedicated server. Take us a little while to get that everything transferred and so forth and so on, but we're working on it. Okay. If you're following us on YouTube, Facebook, or Twitter, you won't notice any. You won't miss any of these because we post them there, and they're not attached to us in any way, shape, or form. So it's not going to be a problem there. Okay. Another good reason to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, or Twitter. All right, perfect. Let's get to the markets. First off, here we are looking at the NASDAQ, and I want to point this out again. We were at 2,100 and we rallied up here. We had lots of gaps in play here, here, here. Let's see, there was one there, a whole bunch of them up to, all the way up there. And ultimately, we had a low volume rally here, sell signals in play. Bearish divergence once you got to this point here. All right, all of this was being false rally to the upside. We've talked about this repeatedly. The reason why we talk about this repeatedly is because we're doing the exact same thing. I mean identical. Here you were at 2,100. Here you are $1 lower, 20 or 2,099. Now you're rallying again. This time the gaps are even bigger. Lots more gaps and than you had before, and that's to be expected as the volume behind this move was low. The volume behind this one is even less, substantially less. Again, you notice you had this nice rally here, no consolidation period. You just ran up here and then did this number. See how you just kind of ticked it along here, went sideways for a couple of days and then pushed up. Here you are, same thing, push up. All right, clear that up again. Thing I want to draw your attention to here. See this move up here, and then just move back down real quick, and then back to the upside. Just move here, move back down, back to the upside. Identical situation. This one formed a head and shoulders pattern. First shoulder was here. Well, let me clear that up so you can see that again. First shoulder here, head, next shoulder there, neckline. All right, breakdown right there. Here you've got the first shoulder. Keep an eye on that. That could develop to be just like this. But ultimately, this one took about 3.5, 4 months to actually mature. According to this, and we're following this thing identical, and thus far we are, you can see we are already at this point right here on that. And you only have a couple more days before you peak. Okay, so keep that in mind. Peaking's a process. It's not something that happens in a single day. And like I said in yesterday's video, we're getting tremors here. All right, that's all we know right now. Again, you're overextended no matter how you slice it and dice it. Today's activity does not change any of the technicals. It doesn't change the fact that you still have this bearish divergence in play. Does today's activity to the upside now change it towards a buy? No, you still have all these problems down here. 9 different gaps below you, sell volume, low volume rally, blah, 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 blah. So this can continue, but the end result is still the same. Look what smart money's doing. Like, go look at yesterday's video. We went over all the charts. We showed you the volume is substantially in favor of the sell side, not the buy side. You do not want to be a buyer of this market. You're buying the peak. That's all there is to that. It's being held up on hot air by the Fed right now, but that news will be sell the news, not buy the news. Okay, so ultimately, nothing new to change here. If you want an analysis on every single individual chart, go back and watch yesterday's market analysis. There's no change from anything I said yesterday. I maintain the exact same situation. I just wanted to point out how perfectly we're following this pattern that we've set before, and we've already had the rollover and now the bounce back up that we saw back here. So with that happening now, kind of give you an idea of where we're at based on these two patterns that are identical. All right. If you've not been to our free website at PerfectStockAlert.com, it's right there. It's 100% free. All we ask in return, please refer a friend. A quick look at our disclaimer. The disclaimer, read it and weep. God bless. Take care. I'll see you all in the next video.